Hello, YouTubers. Real quick, this video is going to be kind of like a review or like a sound test. I hope everyone, Happy New Year, everyone. I hope everyone had a good Christmas or whatever great holiday, whatever you celebrate. Happy New Year. This will be my first video in 2018. I'm really sick or I have allergies. I don't know what's happening, so that's probably why I haven't been uploading in a while. But I got a new preamp. It's the I forget what it's called. The mic, the Ultragain mic 2022. I think it's called. Yeah. It's by Behringer. It's only $100, so you can go look it up on Sweetwater or something. But it's something else I wanted to say. Thank you for all the people that watch my Champion 40 metal video. That has 1,100 views, which is phenomenal. I didn't ever think video on my channel would ever get that high. Excuse me. Again, I'm getting over a cold or allergies or something, I don't know. So, but I'm gonna be doing a sound test. I have everything hooked up right now. This song will be on my new album. It's gonna be an instrumental song. So hopefully it sounds alright. I'll let you decide that. I'm not gonna let my opinion affect yours. I'm not gonna share my opinion for what it sounds like. But I have everything set up, so I'm gonna be right back in a little bit. So hopefully I can get through this video without sneezing and coughing. See ya.